terrible accent.
I know.
That's me.
Wait.
Oh,
This is my tattoo. I got another one. I don't know if that's it. They're
temporary.
temporary. I have another one. You ready? I can't.
They're temporary. You don't, doesn't mean you're
What is this
cool.
even supposed to be about?
Okay, it's a butterfly. They're both butterflies.
Best Bieber lover, Amanda 31501, and whatever the heck you are.
Hey.
Christian Beatles lover.
Ew.
No.
He's ugly.
What the heck is wrong with you, Janelle?
I'm friends with him on YouTube.
Okay. Nelly has a pain coming out of her ears. Mike just wanted to know what you
Guess what? I'm a lesbian.
Mike said stop being around in the bathroom. She's a lesbian.
Well, we're
She said she admitted she was a lesbian. I'm kind of nervous to be around you now.
I was joking. It's to make an awkward moment of silence.
No, what if you like, hey Janelle, and then like I'm like, hey Janelle, I'm like,
I should do that. I'd be like, hey, Janelle.
No, it's like you're like, hey Janelle, I'm
I'm
like,
like, hey, Janelle. Guess what?
No, it's like okay. So what if it's like this? You're like, the door's closed like this, and then there was a knock. So I open it and I go, hi, and go, hey Janelle, and I'm like,
You're not recording.
yeah.
My toe.
Whoa, it's still recording.
My toe.